Will be the first possession. Unang possession ng Team JJ Bonifacio. Yan na si Pintas, number 16 to number 31. Number 19, dribbling the ball. Setting up the play. And to shoot tayo. Nakuha ni number 15. To Bonifacio, in and out ang tira sa baseline. Imbagona, number 14, jumper. Recovered by JJ Bonifacio. Oh, number 19, looking for his teammates. Number 31, pulls up for the 3. Wala na rebound na yan ni JJ. Pulls up, wala pa rin, overshoots. And rebound by number 13. Number 13, jumper. Overshoots, rebound na yan ng team Bonifacio. Wala pa rin nakakascore. Number 19. Oh, number 4. Time out pa na tayo. Hindi ko maganda. Start mo.
Dapat may net.
Okay, hindi pa medyo may magana kami. Time out pa na tayo, may problema yung ating module.
Dapat hindi makashoot eh, hindi pa pala official na.
Buti na lang, wala pang nakashoot. Warm up pa lang yun.
Baka may grounded pa yan.
Yan na. Okay. We're live now. Okay na yan.
Okay. Simulan na ang laban.
Okay na yan. Sige. Resume na lang natin yan. Yan na ang official start. Wala pa tayong points naman. Alright. Mira na ang tabes. Airball.
Natantan pala ang laban natin.
Wala na ang team. Bago na yan. To number 7. Finds the big man for the 3. Short ang tira. Number 19. Back to Flores. Fakes. Number 19. Puts it in. 2-0 ang ating score. And as number 14. Looking for his teammates. Finds number 7. Number 7. 10 to shoot. For the 3, puts it in, 3 points, number 14. Flores, crossover, sidestep for the 3, short, recovered by number, puts it in. What a beautiful jumper in the paint by number 19. Number 11. Finds number 7. Traveling violation. Number 15. Goes in the midcourt against number 7. Finds number 19. Fakes to JJ. JJ in the paint. Back to number 15. Nubitas. Number 31 penetrates. Puts it in!
Number 30. Number 31.
And as number 58. Finds number 11. Kai Soto to number 7. Fakes. 8 to shoot. What a beautiful isolation of the baseline. Our score 6-5. Verse 15, dribbling the ball. Setting up the play. 10 to shoot. Almost losing the ball. And a turnover. Number 58. For the three! In and out, recovered by number 13. Easy bumper at the baseline. Our score is 7-6 ang ating score. Lamang ang kapunaan ni Bagona. Marilao team. Marilao boys. Number 19, pass to JJ. Forcing the offense. Loose ball, turnover. Marilao boys ball, ayan na. Team Marilao number 58. Steal! And a foul committed by number 15, number 14. First personal foul, number 14. Number 4. Finds JJ. Pulls up. Bumper yan by JJ. And that's his Sonic Man, number 7. Dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. 8 by number 13. For the 3, pulls up. Overshoots, rebound by number 11. Number 4, Flores. Flores behind the back dribble. Penetrates. Recovered by number 14. Steal ulit ni number 4. Flores. Number 58, nakuha yung bola. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11, Kai Soto. Missing that shot. Rebound na yan ni number 31. Vitas. Vitas to number 11. Number 4, Flores for the 3. 2 points lang. Stepping. Put him in a beautiful shot. Pero counted yun, 2 points. Yan kasi number 14 penetrates at the baseline. Jumper in and out. Rebound na yan ni number 31 to number 15. Number 15, penetrates, sidestep, puts it in.
Okay, pwede kayo tumawag ng timeout ha?
What a beautiful highlights. Offensive shot made by number 15. Yan na. Ang number 11 takes a shot in the paint, penetrates, and a foul. Committed by number?
Not penalty.
Number 15.
Ilagay mo rin yung foul. Dito.
Masok ang dalawang free throw. 12-9 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang Team JJ. Trap pass number 19 to number 4 for the 3. Flores burning the arc. Number 58 to number 7. Back number 58. Number 11. Number 11, 5 to shoot. Baseline shot, wala. Rebound ni Flores. Flores. Nagmamadali. For the 3, natapik. Nakuha yan ang Team Bagona. Team Bagona, number 14. To number 11. And one shot. Number 11. Pasok ang tira ni number 11. Free throw. Our score is 12-15. Lamang ang Team JJ. Number 15. 2. Number 19. Nawala ang bola. Turnover tayo. Time out. Time out, Team Bonifacio. Yung mga gusto mag-time out dito lang ha, punta kayo sa committee. Idol, pag magta-time out tayo, ha? Time out. platon na yan, platon na. Pag kulang, mag-stay yung isa. Platon tayo, idol, platon. Yung mga hindi pa nakapasok. Tapos yung ano, kung kulang, mag-stay na yung iba. Platon yan, platon.
Gusto ko magpasikyan doon ngayon.
Back to the ball game.
Magpandaan ngayon. Ha? Magpasikyan doon. Ubusin natin lang sa pasikyan doon.
Yan na, team bago na number 14. Pass number 58, pulls the 3. Recovered. Short ng tira and a foul committed by number. Was foul rep number 20, 31.
The fans is watching. Kids play.
Hindi pumasok ang tira. Taking the shot number 19. Missing the 3-point shot. Number 11. Rebound pass number 14. In the paint. Wala. Rebound na yan yung number 31. Bitas. Bitas crossing the midcourt. Ang papadali. In the paint. Penetrates. Nawalang bola. Recovered by number 19. Puts it in. Number 58. Nasa number 2. And to shoot tayo. Fakes the 3. Pass. Wala yan. Na-rebound na yan ni number 31. Number 31. Hinaharas ni number 14. Ang ating score, 17-12. Short ang tira ni number 2. Same ball possession. Foul number 11. Bounded the ball. Oh, number 31. Rebound na yan ni number 11. Number 23. Steal by team JJ. Kaya ni number 19. Penetrate short. Short ang layup. Rebound ni number 14. Number 14 penetrates. Puts it in. 17-14 ang ating score. And na si number 31. Penetrates. Wala. Recovered by number 58 to number 14. Tumingin pa. May kasama pang foul. Pasok yan.
Time out.
Substitution tayo.
Side pala.
Ay, wala pang sub. Wala pang sub. Platon tayo. Platon. Hanggang matapos ang ano. Yes. Wala pa tayong sama. Platon tayo hanggang second quarter. Platon tayo hanggang second quarter. Third quarter lang yun. Kaya si number 2. Nagmamadali. Number 2 penetrates. Ang ganda ng pasa. Malakas lang yung tira ni number 31. Ni number 58. Number 58 for the 3. Short. Pwede Declaro. Declaro. Pass. Malakas ang pasa ni Declaro sa number 31. Time remaining 1 minute 13 seconds. Number 11 for the 3 in and out. Rebound ni number 31, Vitas, nagmamadali. Vitas, nagmamadali. Maghanap ng mapasahan. 56 seconds. And traveling violation. This time is brought to you by Coco Melon, Easy Mini Mart, Fridays, and Shopmore. Sila ang ating sponsors. Number 58 to number 14, making the 3 to number 11 at the baseline. And a foul committed by number 13. Kaso number 14 lumipat. Malakas lang yung tira. Ganda sana noon. Yan na si number 31. Nagpapadali. Behind the back. Losing the ball. Recovered by number 23. Number 23. Number 14. Penetrates. Puts it in. Ang ating score. 18-17. Change favor na tayo. 10 to shoot. Wala pa. Wala pa timeout. 6 seconds na lang. Diretso lang. 6 seconds to shoot. 5. Buzzer na lang, marinig. Tumira ng 3. Overshoot.
Ay, niluwa.
And that ends the first quarter. Ang ating score 18-17. Biglang lumabang ang Team Marilao ng 1 point. We are now in the second quarter of this game. And this time is brought to you by
Andiyan na MC.
Coco Melon, Shopmore, Easy Mini Mart. Okay, dito na yung ating MC.
Kakain ka?
Hindi po. Papakainin ko yung galing hospital. Huwag nyo. Kapag ako.
Alright. Back to the ball game. We're now in the second quarter. Our score is 18-17 in favor of Team Marilao. Our next game for tonight will be between Team Tantan and Team Kelkel. And our last game will be between Team El Toro and Team Irving. Magona, number 1 to number 13, penetrates, jumps, puts it in. Number 15, dribbling the ball, looking for his teammates, finds number 2, jumps. Yes, sir! What a beautiful jumper for a meter shot by number 2. Number 1, Magona. 10 to shoot. For the 3, wala yan. Na-recover ni number 13, wala pa rin. And there's a call by the ref. Late ball violation. Turnover tayo. Our score is 20-19. Number. Ayan na si number 15. Number 15 finds JJ. Fakes. Covered by JJ. Jumper yan. Put back ni number 4. Ay, number 2. Wala. Body JJ. For the 3. Yes, sir! 3 points! Flores! Papoy ang kamay ni Flores sa 3 points. Penetrates number 14. Recovered by number 13. Wala pa rin. Rebound na yan ni number 15. Nagpapadali. Lumipad. Pinasa kay number 2. Jumper. Overshoots. Rebound ni number 2. Number 2 to number 58. Lamang na ang team JJ ng dalawa. Change favor na tayo. 14 to shoot. Number 58. Tumira ng press. Wala. Na-rebound niya ni JJ. Number 15 behind the back. 3 ball. Naiwan ng kalaban. Penetrates. Backer. Wala. Rebound na yan ng Team Marilao. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Oh, number 12. And to shoot. Number 58. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Wala yan. Rebound ni number 4, Flores. Flores setting up the play. Ready to shoot. Flores for the 3. In and out ng bola, recovered by number 15. Number 15 steal, JJ Bonifacio, jumper, puts it in! What a beautiful isolation play by the team, JJ Bonifacio. And turnover tayo. And ang team JJ, number 2. Number 2. Number 2. 2. Itaas. To number 19. JJ. 8 violation tayo. Number 15. Hanap na mapasahan si number 58 to number 13. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Wala yan. Na-rebound na yan. Number 4, Flores. Si number 2, lumipad. Pigs. Public violation. First score is 20-24 in favor of Team JJ. Number 14 penetrates. Well defended basketball by Team JJ Bonifacio. Number 4 Flores. Hinaharas ni number 14. Flores steal. To number 15. 10 to shoot. Number 15. Tumira, wala. Rebound ni number 13. Long pass to number 58. For the 3. Wala yan. Rebound ni Team JJ Bonifacio, number 2. Watson. Pass to number. Puts it in. Watson, what a beautiful play. Made by. Time out tayo. Time out. Good yan, good. Pag-dead ball. Ano mag-tamot? Tumira na. Toss si number 14 in the paint. Ito tayo. Ayan na si number 15. Number 15 to number 14. Puts it in.
Played by USB Drive. Time out.
Okay, time out na tayo. Time out.
Bigyan mo na lang idol pagka nabigay na yung bola. Huwag ka
This time is brought to you by Shockmore, Easy Minimart, Fridays. Alright, back to the ball game. Time remaining in the second quarter, 5 minutes, 9 seconds. Platoon ulit tayo. Last platoon natin. Pwede na kayo mag-ikot ng players na. Number 15 to number 19. Number 4, Flores. Tumira ng 3. 3 points, Flores. Number 14, penetrates. Wala. Rebound pa rin din number 14. Fortune. What a strong offensive shot made by number 14. Number 15. Naghanap na mabasahan. Number 15 to number 19. 14 to shoot. 2. Number 31. Walang bola. Number 7. Setting up. Finds number. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 11. The baseline. Na-rebound na yan ang Team JJ. Team JJ number 19. Dribble the ball. Hilara si number 14. Oh, JJ Bonifacio forcing the offense. Rebound in number 15 and a foul committed by number 23.
Iba pa na rin ka, Bakel? Uniform na kami.
And it's number 15 in the line. Making his bonus shot pero wala yan. 13-27 in favor of Team JJ pa rin yan. Yan na si Bagona. Dribbling the ball. Vice number 14. Counted ba yung ref? Hindi counted. Hindi siya counted. Time remaining, 13-27. Bola ng Team Bagona, number 1 to number 7. Number 7, number 14. To number! Oh, that could have been a beautiful play, pero nawala. Ayan na si number 31. Nagmamadali. Flies. Pass to number 19. Fakes. Jumper. Yes, sir. Beautiful jumper. The baseline by number 19. Making that score 32-27. Time remaining. 3 minutes in this second quarter. Shot clock. 3 points and 1. By number. Who's foul rep? Number 19. May bonus shot na siya. Tumira na ng 3. May kasama pang foul. AB Casio ng Team Bagona yan. Yan na number 7. Na-rebound ulit niya. And a foul again. Number 21, foul. 31, sorry, 31. Forcing, number 7 in the line. Second personal foul mo na yan, number 31. He makes the first one. Second one is good. Deadlock tayo sa 32. Ayan na si number 31 to Flores. Flores din to number 31. Tumira, overshoots, rebound ni. Nagagawa sa ilalim. Ito po yan ni number 25 to number 11. Number 11, kay Soto. Si number 7, JV Casio. Fakes the 3, penetrates. Overshoots, rebound ni Bagona. Rejected. Nakuha yan ni number 15. Nagmamadali si number 15. Number 15! Wala yan. Nakuha yan ng Team Bagona. And a steal by number 15. To number 31. Lisa puts it in. What a beautiful isolation play made by Team JJ. Making the score 34-32. Nasid Bagona, 10 to shoot tayo. 8 to shoot. Number 14 for the 3. Wala. Rebound na yan ni number 31. Number 31 hinaharas ng dalawa. Number 15. Almost losing the ball, recovered. Number 4, Flores. Burning the arc. Puts it in. 3 points.
Sa 3 points mo. Saka yung apat na.
Maraming 3 points ginagawa ni number 4, Flores. Nawala ang bola. Turnover tayo. Balik ang bola sa team JJ. Ayan na. Team JJ, number 15, dribbling the ball. Crossing the pin court. Finds number 4, Flores. To number 19, hesitates. Penetrates. Finds number 31. Puts it in. Number 31. Scoring the offense shot in the paint. Our score is 39-34. JB Casio for the 3! Yes, sir!
2 points to.
Bumawi agad ng press. Amang pa rin ang team. Ayan na. Si team number 4. Hesitates. Pinasa sa kalaban. Ayan na si number 14. Nagmamadali. Penetrates. Puts it in. Ayan na, si number 15. Number 15. Naganap na ba pa? Malakas ang pasa. Wala na. Team Bagona. They are burning the time. Last seconds. 8. Tumira si number 1 for the 3. Short. 4 seconds na lang tayo. And that is the second quarter of this game. Our score is 39-37. Lamang ng dalawa, Team JJ Bonifacio. This time is brought to you by Coco Melon, Shop More, Easy Mart. Dito na ang Team Irving, handang-handa na. Shout out kay Ruby, kasi Idol, Jericho.
Yan naman kayo mga lalaki, pag nakuha sa gusto, iwanan nyo kami.
We're back to the ball game. Number 14, hinaharas. Number 14, forcing the offense shot. Puts it in.
Dead ball na.
Deadlock tayo, 39 all. Parang championship lang itong laban nila. Match na match pa lang team nila. And na si number 2, Guanzon, finds the Claro. Steal by number 11. Number 13. Number 13 to number 14. Bunker yan. And a foul. And one shot tayo. Lumamang na ang team Marilao. Pumasok ang tira, ang ating score, 39-42. Number 2, Guanzon. Floater shot, puts it in. Guanzon for the 2 in the perimeter line. And si number 11, looking for his teammates. Number 14, setting up the play. Number 2, fakes, penetrates, finds number 58, 7 to shoot, number 13, 5 to shoot, 3, Forcing the offense shot to the baseline. Wala. Rebound by number 31. Pass to Flores. Flores! Wala ang tira ni Flores. Number 14. Nice! Puts it in! Number 14. What a beautiful isolation. By number 14. Yan na. Lumabang na ang team. Bonifacio. Team Marilao. Ang tatlo. Almost a loose ball. Same ball possession. Guanzon penetrates, floats. Rebound ni number 13. Nagkakawan sa gitna. Number 13. Almost a steal. Recovered by number 2. Nakuha ni number 31. Number 31. Rushing. Finds number 4. Flores. Jumper at the baseline. Wala. Rebound ni number 58. Number 58 to number 14. Number 14. Flies. Again. What a consistent move. And a score made by number 14. Number 31. Penetrates. And a foul committed by number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Guanzon. Forcing number 31 in the line. Ang ating score, 46-41. Lamang na ng 5 ang koponan ng Team Marilao. Easy, the second free throw. This is number 13. Penetrates with a foul committed by number 4, Flores. Second personal foul, Flores. Time remaining in this third quarter. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Wala pa rin na ang Team Marilao. Number 14 for the 3, overshoots. Rebound in number 31. Number 31, Flores. Flores hesitates. Rejected by number 13. Libre si number 58.
Time out daw.
Puts it in. Time out. Time out. Team JJ Bonifacio. Lamang na ang
Ano sila dito?
Marilao
Malap.
ng 7 points.
No?
This time is brought to you by Easy Mart, Coco Melon, Shopmore, Alright, back to the ball game tayo. JJ Bonifacio to Vitas, number 19. Number 19, setting out of play. Number 15. 10 to shoot tayo. Number 15, loose ball. Number 13 to number 14, umikot. And a traveling violation. Number 31, burning the arc. Wala. Long pass to number 14. Penetrates. Recovered. Puts it in. What a beautiful offensive play by number 14. Napakalakas. Number 31, 91. Foul by number 58.
9 na.
Number 58, foul.
58.
Ang ating score, 50-41. JJ missing the first free throw. Same ball possession.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Sabi lamok.
Inbound to the ball to number 19. 3 points wala. Number 13. Hinaharas ni number 19. Steal by number 15. Number 15. Crossing the midcourt. Drop pass to Vitas to number 4. Number 2, Guanzon. Beautiful jumper in the paint. by Guanzon. Number 11, Inaras. To number 14. Number 14 still. Finds Bagona, number 1. 3 seconds violation. Bumaba ng pito. Yan na, si number 31 for the 3. Overshoots. Rebound niya ni number 11. Long pass to number 14. Number 14, jumper. Puts it in. 52-43 ang ating score. 5 minutes, 12 seconds in this third quarter. Number 14 scoring machine nito. Nakuha yan ni number 30.
Time out daw. Sinong tatay? Red ball.
And now, penetrates. And a foul. Time out. Time out tayo.
Play by USB Drive.
All right, back to the ball game. Our score is 52-43.
O naman. Sasabihin mo lang.
Dalawang buslot. Simula na ang laban. No good. Nakakuha ng number 91. Number 4, may dala ng bola. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pinipress. Pumilit. Not good. Narimo ng number 23. Na-steal ang number. Counted. Foul, Sweat. Foul, number 23. Good. Second personal foul. Tigasyon, nagkatala ng bola. Inasa, number 2 Rukawa, tumira. Not good, na-rebound, 91. 91, good yung Stipunton. Binababa ang bola, ganang napapasahan. Dire-diretso pababa. 31, 31, 31. Pinasa sa number 15, pull-up jumper, no good. Nakuha na number 7, pinasa, Bigati, naglea, hakan. Good.
Dati ang puta.
Hindi pala sa
Number 2, 10 to shoot. 8. Tira, papasahan, na-connect.
Play by USB Drive.
Number 23, number 7, may dala ng bola. Diretso pa baba. Ang score po natin ay 46-54. Oras, 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Number 50, tumira sa 3, not good. Narimo na number 4. Foul, Mr. Red. Number 7.
Play by USB Drive.
Number 31.
Number 15, ganap ng bola, papasa.
Line mode.
Okay, ito yung tintantan. Tintantan lalaki.
FM mode. Bluetooth mode. Play by USB Drive.
No. Foul, Mr. F, who's foul? Foul, number 1. Mag-ano ka lang, hindi mo lang kalaki.
Nagkakagulo na sila, hindi nila alam kung sino maglalabas ng bola. Number 15. Number 15. Pinasa sa number 1. Pinasa number 15. Tumira, pull-up jumper. Good. Number 1, Home TV. Pira na. Number 15, nagmamadali. Pinasa. Good.
4 na lang. Sub daw. Sub daw.
Bukawa.
Sub daw siya. Pag na gano'n.
Oh, stop. And the shoot. Number 3, number 2. Stop. Stop. Pasok, lahat ng papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Number 23, third personal foul.
Number 15 to number 4 to number 2. Fires and 3, recovered. In and out ang tira ni number 2, Guanzon. Steal by JJ, floater shot. Wala yan, rebound by number 11. Number 11, inara si Flores. Number 14 against number 31. Nakating score 50-54 in favor of. 10 to shoot tayo. And there's a foul committed by number 31. Third personal foul, number 31. 9 to shoot. Number 58 finds number 7. Number 7 penetrates, finds number 11. Wala ang baseline shot. Rebound na yan ni number 31. Number 31, Flores, crossing the midboard. Nagmamadali, umikot. Puts it in! What a beautiful isolation spin shot.
Time out daw. Pagka-shoot.
Made by number 4, Flores. Ayan na si number 14. Forcing the open shot. And there's a foul committed by number 4.
Wala ka na shoot. Wala.
Time out, Team Marilao. Our score is 52-54 in favor of Team Marilao. Time remaining 1 minute 10 seconds in this third quarter. Our next game will be between Team Tantan and Team Kelkel. Isa na namang magandang laban ito. Andito na ang Team Tantan. Shoutout kay ating Pogi Tantan. Nandiyan na siya. Hindi yata maglalaro yan ngayon. Magkukos lang daw siya.
Ano daw?
Wala pa tayong penalty. Number 11, inbounded the ball to number 14.
ISO!
Number 14, 10 to shoot. Number 14, forcing the open shot. Wala. Number 15, foul. Three personal foul, number 15. Still missing the second free throw. 2 personal fouls in number 15. Dalawa. Yeah, the third one is good.
Down.
Ating score.
55 lang.
Ating score, 55-52. Number 30, Michael. Number 4, losing the ball. To number 14. Number 14 penetrates, puts it in. What a beautiful play by number 14. And that's number 2, Guanzon. Drop pass kay Michael. To Flores for the 3. Wala yan. Na-rebound yan ni JJ Bonifacio. Lane violation. Turnover tayo.
Ikot mo. Hindi mo naikot.
Ayan ang team Marilao. Number 15, number 58, number 7. 10 to shoot. 9, number 14, beyond the arc, shot. Puts it in. 3 points. Number 14. Ayan na si Flores losing the ball. Steal by number 11. Penetrates and a score. Ang ating score, 59-52. Biglang nag-time out ang team JJ. Basta palang oras. Sorry. Wala rin ako sa uliran. And that ends the third quarter. We're on the fourth quarter. Ating score 61-52. Lamang ang team Marilao. This time is brought to you by Coco Mello, Easy Minimart, Shop More.
Yung, ano ba yung nainom ba ni Dre kaninang yako?
Back to the ball game. Number 14, 2. Number 7, hold it 3. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni Michael. Michael, number 4. Flores. Forcing the offense shot. Rebound ni number 2. Kilit kayo. Number 58, long shot. 2. Number 14. Tapik ang bola. Number 7, David Casio. For the three, in and out. Lumabas ang tira. Kuha na number 31 yan. Number 31. Drop pass to Michael. Number 7. Michael to Flores. Flores to Michael. Drop pass. Number 31. Rebound na yan ni number 11. Kuha na number 14. To number 58. Overshoots. Recovered. Number 14. To the baseline. Puts it in. And one shot by number 14. First one is good. Score is 63 na yan. 64 na yan. Number 19 for the 3. Number 14. Hinaharas. And a foul by number 19. Number 14 for the 3. Short. Rebound na yan ni Vitas. Number 19. Drop pass to number 4. Flores against number 7. Setting up the play. Number 7. Twice a 3 from the downtown. Wala yan. The rebound ni number 13. And a loose ball. Same ball possession tayo. Number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. And a loose ball. Bola ng Marilao.
Sa labas.
Ang ating score is 55-64. Lamang pa rin ang Team Marilao. Number 58, beyond the arc shot. Wala yan. Overshoot.
Ayan na yung MC. Dalawang beses.
Yun no si number and rejected by the Team Marilao boys. Long pass number 15 to number 14. Number 14 jumps. Puts it in. What a beautiful jumper. What a beautiful jump shot by number 14. Ating score 55-66. Number 19 looking for his teammates. Finds number 6. Number 19 beyond the arc shot. And a ball yan. Timeout, JJ Bonifacio. This time is brought to you by Coco Melon Easy Mart Shop Mall.
Fernandez family.
And Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez family and Mr. and Mrs. Hayes. And of course our very own Barangay Captain Honorable Cap Toto. We are now the last quarter of this game. Our time is 6 minutes 49 seconds. Back to the ball game. Our score is 66-55. Babanggitin ko na yung mga sponsor, pati yung mga may utang. Number 1 na ito. Pinoy step, si number 15 losing the ball. Seconds violation tayo.
Hindi na tigil. Hindi na tigil. Hindi na tigil. 25 yun, idol. 25. Ano na pa siya? Dapat reset, di ba? Hindi ma-reset yung basta doon. Still, foul lang ma-reset.
Okay, respect na lang natin yung mga referee. Okay.
Ano nila, error nila yun, sir? Kahit error nila, nasa backward tayo, sir. Naintindihan mo ba? Backward yan eh. Sa inyo yan, hindi nyo pa na itatawid. Technical tayo.
Alright, technical tayo. Players, please respect the officiating referees. Kung ano yung tawag, yun yung sundin natin.
Mainit pa yan pagdating ng semi-final. Oo, tension pa yan. Hindi, dapat naspituin nila.
Lamang naman sila eh. GGT, ano?
Back in the ball game tayo, number 2, inbounded the ball to number 19. To Michael, number 7. Tumira ng cross, wala, recover. Rebound by number 14. Rushing, slashing. Steal by number 19. Pass number 15. Nawala ang bola. Ayan na, si number 7, Jamie Casio. Lane violation.
Ba't gumagalaw yung shot clock? Hindi pa nilalabas, hindi pa nahawakan yung bola. Ba't gumagalaw yung shot clock? Boss, 24 shot clock. Shot clock mo, gumagalaw po shot clock. Reset lang na reset yan. Reset lang na reset. Ako hindi nahawakan.
Reset lang yan. Rebound ni number 15. Ating score. Ayan na, nagmamadali sa number 14. Hinaharas, number 14, lumipad. Overshoots, rebound. 14. And a foul. Committed by number 14. Number 14, first personal. Napaka-intense ng laban. Ating score, 66-58. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 58 seconds. It is last quarter. Ayun na, si number 7 hesitates and a traveling violation.
Nasaan na yung MC kanina?
Ayun na, naghanap ng mabasahan, drop pass, lane violation. Time out tayo, time out. Time out, time out. Time out, Marila, boy.
Hindi, lane violation.
Wala pa po.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo.
Technical tayo ha. Number 11 ha, for continuous complaining.
Technical foul number 11 for continuous complaining. Number 31, Tumira, wala yan. Haba pa ang ating oras, 5 minutes 48. Kaya na, si Team JJ, inbound din na ball. JJ Bonifacio, to number 15, na-rebound niya, na-steal ni number 11. To number 14, lumipad na naman, Potsere. Kaya na, si number 19. Score, 58-16. 68, sampo ang Kalamangan. Number 31 for the 3 points. Ito na lang ang Kalamangan ng Team Marilao. Ang tawag na, foul ba yun? Foul number 15.
Tapuhin niyo yung oras. Running time yan.
Running time yan. Oo, kaya matagal eh.
10 seconds to shoot. Running time, I don't know.
Number 58 for the 3, short. Rebound ni number 15. Running time tayo, running time. Yan na si number 16. 14 to shoot. Laura, 3 points again by Team JJ. Number 31, Vitas. 4 na lang ang lamang ng Marilao. Ayan na si JB Casio, the number 1. Bagona. Wala, rebound ni number. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 31, Vitas. Vitas, nagpapili. Hinaharas ni number 7. Vitas and a foul committed by number 7. Pushing foul. Time remaining 4 minutes 23 seconds. 4 na lang. Bumaba ng 4 ang Kalamangan ng Team Marilao. Ayun na, si P. Number 19. Number 19 to number 31. Fakes. Pulls the 3. Puts it in! Ang init ng kamay ni number 31. Isa na lang ang Kalamangan. Nawala ang bola. Same ball possession tayo. Napakaganda ng laban ng dalawang oponent na ito. 68-67. Ayaw mag-iwanan. 14. Time remaining. 3 minutes 57. 67-68 ang ating score. Number 14. Dribbling. penetrating and a score. What a beautiful isolation, offensive play by number 14. Ayan na si number 15. Naghanap ng mapasahan. Finds number 31 for the 3 again. 14! Ang apat na yan! 70 all tayo deadlock. Number 14. Number 14 still. Hinaharas. And a foul committed by number 31.
Ilang foul na si 31?
Fourth personal foul, number 31. Warning. Warning for penalty na.
Pasahan nyo lang, pasahan si 3 points.
And inbound in the ball. Magona fakes, penetrates, rejected, recovered, umikot, puts it in. And dalawa ang kalamangan ng Marilao. Ayan na, number 19 dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammates. Number 19, sininiskrinahan ni JJ. Tumira ng press, pero may foul. Number 7. Warning for penalty tayo.
Play by USB Drive.
Walang tira na number 19 sa free throw. Second one. That is 3 bonus shot. The second one is good. Deadlock tayo sa 72.
Sir, inom pa tubig? Inom pa tubig.
Kasi mablay yung isa. Wala pa. Ayan na. Wala pa rin. Recovered. Rebound by number 14. Running time yan. Number 14. Penetrating. Flying. Puts it in. Our score. 71-74 in favor of the team Marilao. Ayan na si number 19. 10 to shoot. Number 31. Penetrates. Napakagandang tira yan. What a beautiful isolation play by number 31, making the score 73-74. Number 14 penetrates. Forcing the offense. Wala. Rebound ni number 31. Number 31. Almost losing the ball. Number 31. Recovered. Number 31 still. Drop pass. To Guanzon. Wala yan. Rebound ni number 7. To number 15. And a steal by JJ Bonifacio. Guanzon. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. 2. Team JJ is trying to burn the time. Shot clock. Down to 8. 6. Drop pass kay number 15. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ni number 11. Inaras ni number 19. Number 14. Number 14. Against number 19. Number 14 still. Penetrates. Pass to the wrong man. Alright, same ball possession tayo. Time out daw. Time out. Time out. Nice ball, ref. Time out. What an exciting game between these two teams. Our score is 73-74. Time remaining 1 minute 20. Wala na tayong time out. Wala nang time out. Ang team JJ, meron pang isa. Meron pang isa. Meron pa kayong isang time out, idol. Meron pa isang time out.
Si Badyaw. Papunta na?
Yes. Meron pa kayong isang time out. Okay. Back to the ball game tayo. 1 minute 20 in this last quarter. Our next game for tonight will be between Team Tantan and Team Kelpe. Isa na namang magandang laban nito. Time 1 minute 20. This time is brought to you by Rejected and a foul. Committed by number 13. Number 91. Number 91 foul. Forcing number 14 in the line. Penalty situation. First one is good. Jersey number 15 to number 31 again. Short ang tira.
Hindi gumagalaw.
Dati ng oras.
Foul number 19. Penalty situation.
Wala silang timeout.
Wala na, idol. Our score 73-75.
Si Ruby. Score.
58 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 14, number 14, naghahanap ng mapasahan. Number 7, for the 3. Hanson, naghahanap ng mapasahan. JJ, to Guanson, naghahanap ng mapasahan. To JJ, overshoots. Rebound na yan ni Bagona, hinaharas. And a foul. Jump shot. 24 seconds na lang tayo. JJ for the 3. Rebound ang dalawa. Number 31. Finds the 3. Yes, sir. 14 to shoot.
Wala nang oras.
10. Nice Dylan. And a foul by number 14. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Wala ang bola. To Guanson for the 3. Tapos ang laban. Our score 7